Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive. You wouldn't guess this was a bank holiday with the weather, would you? Anyway, we're here doing quite a rare car nowadays anyway. A Mercedes from 1983. It's a 230E, W123 model I believe. Here doing an engine carbon clean. You can see the car's in lovely condition inside and out, but it's done 90,000 miles, so the owner wants us here. Good old fashioned, no fuel injection, well, not like we know it now anyway. No diagnostic port though, so I haven't been able to look at any live data. But yeah, what a lovely car. Would have been nice if it was sunny and dry, but still appreciate how clean and tidy it is.